All right, guys, one of my most favorite things to review is going to be these torches right here. I have so much fun. We do a ton of stuff. I love smoking bourbon drinks. I love starting fires outside when we have that going on. But a couple of things about this, it has the piezoelectric ignition technology. I don't know what that means, but it's got to be pretty cool. This is for culinary, jewelry repair, outdoor mechanical repair, automotive, medical, lab, dental, and so much more. So we're going to fill the torch, ignite the torch, and use it hands-free. Let's go ahead and get into it and see if it is nice like we think it is, because they have a pretty cool brand here and a ton of awesome stuff to use. So here you have it. You got the actual unit itself. This thing is super beefy. You do have a lock on the top, which is nice. Okay. There's going to be your click to get it rocking and rolling. Let's go ahead and lock it off. And then the next on this side is going to be the plus and minus. So more gas or less gas. And then you do have your feel on the bottom of it. So a couple things here. It does show you how to actually use it. So it says avoiding uncontrollable fire. We don't want to do that. It shows you how to actually light the torch and how to fill it. You can use a couple different pieces, but you want to use the ones that actually have right there, going to actually have the red tip to it. So I have proper butane, and we're going to go ahead and give this bad boy a fill. So that is the proper tip already for it. We're going to flip it up to the other side. Okay, we've got some butane in it, just like that. That is super easy to fill, no problems whatsoever. Now, we should be able to light this. Let's go ahead and do the unlock. And there you have it. There is the flame. Look how easy that was. Pretty simple to get it rocking and rolling, no problems whatsoever. Very easy. So a couple of things about this. If you notice, I went ahead and took my hand off the trigger. It's because the lock button allows you to do that. So once you do the unlock, it will turn it off. That's why this can be used in a few different places. So you're able to use this, whether it's medical, maybe you have a lab that you're working in, or you're able to use it at home and you need a torch and you can't have it held down just like that, making drinks, whatever it might be. But the locking function is super sweet when it comes to TBTEEK. They got a pretty cool product here. Now, let's go ahead and see from lowest setting. Very small flames, not going to stay lit. Kind of moving it up all the way to the biggest setting right there. That's a pretty cool torch that we have. Definitely digging it all the way down to the smallest. But guys, this thing is awesome. Really, you can use it anywhere and everywhere. Check out TBTEEK. They have an awesome product. All the nozzles you need and everything you could have with regards to a pretty cool torch. Check it out.